Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a tournament in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen prompts to download and install. After downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be required to pass through the first phase of a tournament that's going to be presented to you. Once you're done with that phase, it's going to take you right into this home screen, now where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create a tournament in Clash Royale. So from this home screen, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen, the bottom right corner specifically. Now, the last icon you're going to find is that shield or that sword icon. So go ahead and click on the sword icon. That's the events. Now, I'm unable to unlock the features of events because I've not gotten to level 8. So once you've gotten to King level 8, you'll be able to unlock the features in this event. So once you get to King level 8, go ahead and click on events. And once you click on events, right here in this window, you're going to find at the top corner challenges, and you're going to find custom. So go ahead and click on custom. Once you click on custom, you're going to find a couple options, which include gain tournament trophies, unlock tournaments, chest, and battle using tournaments. You can see battle using tournament rules. Okay, so select any of those options, and just right under it, you're going to find continue. So click on any of those options and click on continue. So after clicking on continue, it's now going to take you to a page where you're going to see something. You're going to see a lot of features. So at the top left corner of the page, after selecting any of those options, that's include the gain tournament trophies, and you click on continue, you'll take you to the next window. In that window, check the top left corner of your screen. You're going to find a sword icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the sword icon, and once you tap on the sword icon, it's going to take you to a window where you're not going to be asked to create your tournament. So in there, enter the name of your tournament, and then add the description of your tournament, and then enter the password of your tournament and click set. So once you do that, the next step is to choose the choice of tournament that you want. After that, click on the create button you will see at the bottom of that window. Now, in that create button, just right next to the create button, you're going to find the cost of credit. That's the cost of gold that it would require for you to create that tournament, depending on the type of tournament that you choose. So each type of tournament comes with different costs. So in that window, enter the name of the tournament, the description, the password, the choice of tournament, click on create. And after clicking on create, ensure that you have sufficient gold for that process. So once you're done, that's just going to be it. You'll be able to create your tournament. Don't forget the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.